Hello everyone, this is Abhinash. Friends, most often UPSC aspirants ask me how to get a top 100 rank in UPSC Civil Services examination. Is there any secret? So friends, I'll share you one secret. Friends, if you want to get a top 100 rank, then you have to master UPSC previous year question paper because it tells a lot about what UPSC demands. So friends, and again one thing that you have to do extremely well in UPSC mains examination. Friends, having scored 450 plus marks in UPSC mains examination, I'll share you some secrets. Friends, there are few subjects which are extremely scoring and there are few subjects which are not so. So you have to focus on those areas which have very high cost benefit ratio. Friends, in this order we'll talk about internal security which comes in GS3 and it is extremely scoring friends. So I'll share you this link. Friends, I have created this new website. So I'll post the questions. I have segregated all those questions year wise of internal security and so that you can go through. Friends, if you do these questions, then everything will become very easy. You can find out also that how to analyze previous year question paper. So friends, let's start. I'll post the link in the comment section or in the description section so you can go through these questions. First question friends, in UPSC mains examination in 2019, they have asked about banning of Jamaat-e-Islami. Please go through this question. They are asking about this question on terrorism in Kashmir. Friends, it is a very important topic in internal security. There are 6-7 topics like terrorism in Kashmir, then insurgency in Northeast, then Naxalism in Naxalism. These are broad topics. They ask a lot. Here they are asking about the role of overground workers, and often they ask about Pakistan's role in terrorism in India. So it's a combination of both. They are asking the same question in different languages, friend. This question you will find also in previous year question paper. Where we'll talk about those things also. So it's a very easy question. If you have gone through this question, like what are the reasons behind terrorism in Kashmir and all, you can write a good answer on this. This is though it has little current affairs touch, but it is mostly a basic question, static question. This one. Second question, they are asking about Cyber Dome. Friends, it is a current affairs based question, but again. Just you have to know the Cyber Dome. It was much in news, and along with it, they are asking about the internet crimes in India, cyber crimes. It is a very important topic in internal security, and you have to master it. Third one, they are asking about this UAPA or Unlawful Activities Act. Friends, this is a basically law and order issue, and law and order is another topic. So I am talking about first terrorism or extremism. Second one is cyber crime or cyber security. Third is the law and order issue, and fourth one they are asking about the cross border movement of insurgents. Friends, this is a question they have asked a lot of times, 2-3 times they have already asked. So you have to know the points. What are the points you have to be written here? Indo-Myanmar border, they have already asked this question. I'll show you also in the previous year question paper. Friends, again they are asking in 2018. I have already told you Naxalism is a very important topic or favorite topic of UPSC. So they ask this question. Another thing you can see here also, data security, or basically this is a part of the cyber security. So they are asking the same thing, BN Sri Krishna committee. So friends, the internal security questions they ask, it is a combination of static and current affairs. So you have to make your static very strong and current affairs थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लो, especially जो आपके standard sources हैं. Third one, this one friends, again they are asking about this. They are asking about the this one opium trade and all. So this is a substance. This is one thing we are talking about, like trafficking, various kind of trafficking. This is another topic in UPSC internal security, like human trafficking, then substance trafficking. So here this is a question on substance trafficking or drug abuse. So you can go through this. Money laundering is also there. So you can go through this. In UPSC 2017, friends, again they are asking the same question on cyber security. You can go through that. This is a cyber security is a very important topic. I have already told you in 2019 also they asked the same question. Again they are asking about the northeastern region and insurgency. Friends, they will ask a particular question either on extremism, either terrorism in Kashmir or Naxalism or insurgency in Northeast. So you have to go through this. It's a very important topic, and the templates will be same. The answer template will be same for each. I'll share you how to write a particular answer on this one. Then the third question, friends, they are asking about the mob violence. Mob violence is a part of, in 2019 they asked the same question like UAPA. So basically you have the same, most of the points remain the same. Another friend, again they are asking about the terrorism, which is a grave threat to national security. So these are the favorite topics: terrorism, extremism, insurgency, then drug abuse, cyber security. These are the basic important topics. There are hardly 6 7 topics, and you have to master it. And your 50 60 marks are sure, and you will do really good, because this is a subject most of the people they often skip. Here also again, friends, in UPSC 2016, they are asking about hot pursuit and surgical strikes. Friends, I have already told you that in 2019 they have asked this question about border security in Indo-Myanmar border and Indo-Pakistan border. These are very sensitive, so please go about this. This time Sino-India border is very important because the LAC issue and all. So go through this because they may ask this question. Then again terrorism they are asking, then border management asking, internet and social media. Friends, you can see the pattern. They are asking the same question, and unfortunately we do not prepare right answers. In UPSC mains examination, the biggest mistake most of the students they do, that they know the questions but they do not make model answers, because this is why they take a lot of time. In 2015 also, friends, you can go through they are asking about the APSPA and all. This is basically insurgency related. This APSPA is insurgency related to Northeast. So they have asked UAPA, they have asked APSPA. So it's a very simple thing. Another, they are asking about the religious indoctrination through digital media. These are very easy and predictable topics. Then they are asking about third question, LWE, then digital armed force or cyber security. The same questions they are asking again and again. So there are 5 6 7 important topics you have to go through, and please make model answers. Friends, I'll share the link of this new website, and you can put your email ID so that whenever I write any article you can go through. So I'll cover other topics which are very important and which are extremely scoring. This will help you, those who are appearing this year or those who are appearing next year also. It will be helpful. Thank you everyone. You can go through previous year question paper, because here lies the secret. Thank you everyone.